Ipsy Glam bag, February 2023. I already received my Ipsy Glam bag plus. Really happy with the bag. So first off, look at this beautiful bag. This one I actually really like. It's so beautiful. You get a little Ipsy heart here, really cute. This is the back of the bag, nice hot pink. Appropriate for Valentine's Day, right? By the way, happy Valentine's Day if you celebrate it. First item we have up here, Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I have oily skin, so I use the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I like that better for oily skin. Normal skin, you probably like this one. From Estate, a little dual eyeshadow, Mystic Forest Fairy Dust. Looks like really nice shades, something similar. Oh my god, I just stuck my finger right in there. Okay, so there it is. Just look at that. Imagine a nice smoky eye or a cut crease. That would be lovely. I lose these all the time. They're just so tiny. I like palettes when it comes to eyeshadows, but I'm not saying I expect Ipsy to send me a palette in an Ipsy Glam bag. Here's the Seraphim Botanicals Cherimoya and Fig Long Lasting Vegan Lip Stain. I received several things from this brand from Ipsy. No gluten, no parabens, vegan and cruelty free. This looks so pretty. Look at this. The shade looks amazing. I'll do a quick swatch, but of course, if I don't make a full video on these, I do make a short, okay? And if you like the short style videos more, then definitely follow me on TikTok or on Instagram. There's very short content that I create. All my socials are the same, okay? Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are Jenz BeautyStyle. Wow, that smells fantastic. This is what it looks like. How pretty is that? I'll do a quick swatch. And it smells so good. Not your regular like vanilla scent, but it doesn't smell like a latte either, right? Oh, and if you didn't see my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I'll leave the playlist so you can check it out in the comments. So MOB, never heard of this. This is the Ultimate Finish Translucent Setting Powder. Can you see that? So that's super exciting. This is what it looks like. It's a lavender. I hope it's showing up lavender and not white. I have very oily skin, so I can't wait to try this out. You will definitely see a video on these. Oh, I think I picked this item. I'm not sure how you say this brand correctly. Calio. I don't know how you say this, but let me know. Tense liquid eyeliner in Americano. I always use a black liquid liner. I love receiving them. I always say that. Very happy if I receive one in my Ipsy Glam bag. This one is closed. I'll be trying that out. I think I'll feel so weird with a brown liquid liner, but it's good to have when you just never know. Really nice. Of course, my favorite part of this Ipsy Glam bag is always my little purse. That is my favorite thing. I think that's why I don't cancel it, even though it's like, what am I gonna do with all these little bags? But I just love them, and I love this one. It's just so pretty. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.